Vinafarm is a company specializing in electronic parts and materials. We'd like to introduce the world's first connector for supercapacitors with a compact and integrated design. It is designed to ensure electrical and mechanical performance of the supercapacitor. In particular, it provides SMT convenience to the PCB of the finished product manufacturer, and also guarantees the convenience of fastening the supercapacitor, thus increasing the final productivity. It also provides safety of supercapacitor products compared to existing manual soldering. Its robust fastening makes it resistant to external vibration and safe to use in high and low temperature environments. This connector is eco-friendly with a small structure, which can be applied to various applications ranging from home appliances, industries, automobiles, and lighting. It is an essential part of supercapacitor energy solution that can reduce environmental damage caused by batteries of TV remote controls. This connector will be of great help to the user environment of lithium-ion capacitor and supercapacitor. Vinafarm will make efforts to reach the global market with the world's first connector for supercapacitors.